Hello, and welcome to Penn State's LionLink Networking and Career Connections platform. To optimize your time using LionLink, I'm going to provide you with a brief overview of the system and its capabilities. When you log into LionLink, you will be asked what you're interested in accomplishing today. Based on your selection, the platform will create and recommend action items to help you best use the platform and earn badges. If you do not wish to complete these suggested action items, you may skip them at any time. On your home page, you will find suggestions on whom you may want to add to your network based on your LionLink profile. You will also have an opportunity to learn about fellow Penn Staters' career stories, get a snapshot of current job openings, and post a question to the PSU LionLink community using the Ask an Alumni feature. You will notice at the top of your home page 4 tabs labeled Connect, Career, Resources, and Inbox. Let's begin with Connect. Under the Connect tab, you will find Community, Groups, Programs, and Events. The community will allow you to view other user profiles and connect with them via instant messaging or email. The best way to identify connections is by using filters at the top of your page. Once you've applied some filters to narrow down your search, you can then explore profiles and start building connections. When you have found someone of interest, you can reach out to them using the message feature. You may create your own message or use one of the 3 templates provided for you. Next, we're going to look at our groups. Groups are communities that share a common interest. To learn more about each group, click on the group icon. If you wish to join the group, simply click on the green Join button at the top right quadrant of the page. Programs are formal mentoring opportunities where you can join and be paired with an alumni mentor or student mentee. Each program operates independently and has specific criteria based on the goal of each program. To learn more, select the program of interest, read the About page, and request to join the group using the green Join button. Next, the Events option. You will see a list of upcoming networking opportunities, webinars, workshops, and career-related happenings supported by Alumni Career Services. You may register for any of these events from this page. Next, we'll take a look at the Career tab. Under the Career tab, you will find resources to explore career interests and apply for jobs and short-term projects. Career Paths is a career exploration tool. By answering some questions and applying filters, you can identify careers and areas of interest to learn more about a particular job and explore career options. Jobs is our job board, where you can view and apply for jobs. Using filters, you will be able to search for jobs based on industry, company, location, job type, and more. From this page, you can view the job description, apply for the job, and connect with the alumni whom are familiar with the company or role. Next, let's take a look at projects. Projects are micro internships sponsored by Penn State alumni for students and recent graduates. Projects are offered 3 times per year during the fall, spring, and summer semesters. All projects must be completed virtually in less than 40 hours and 6 weeks. Moving on to resources. Under the Resources tab, you will find pathways to hone your job search skills. You will also find a library of curated articles and information and videos to support your job search needs. Lastly, our inbox. This is where you will send and receive LionLink messages. Happy connecting.